Here I'm going to show you how to use the clone tool to remove parts of an image. For example, here we have a photo of a kestrel, and we've got the tethers and the straps, the jessers, showing here, which we're going to get rid of. So you want to work fairly close in for this. Go on to 100% here, and we can see the leather jess over here. We can select the clone tool, and you want a size that covers that strap nicely. And we're going to start off at a quite soft brush, so everything blends in. And we'll take a donor area here. The clone tool is often called the rubber stamp tool in other programs. The idea is that you take a donor patch and place it over the image, covering up something using this donor area. And to do this, we simply hold down the Alt key, which gives you a gun sight cursor, and click the left mouse button once, and that tells Photoshop to take the patch from here and place it wherever you decide. So wherever you move the cursor now, it'll take a patch from the corresponding area. You just simply place it over the piece we want to cover up and draw over it. You can see the small cross, which is the donor area. We're working closer in now, so we'll take the hardness up to about 85%, and we're going to take the size down a little because we're working quite a fine area. So we'll take the donor patch from there, so hold down the Alt key and click the left hand mouse button, and then when we nibble away now, you'll notice it's got a much harder edge to the brush, and we'll just nibble away a little bit, take it down a little bit more. And again, we'll bring the brush size up a little bit to, let's say 30 there. Take a donor area from there and just nibble away. And now, without knowing that there was a strap across there, you really wouldn't notice. Do the same down here. This is going to be a little bit harder because you're up against the feather detail there, but you start with the easiest bits first, and bring the cursor size up to a size more suited for that, and working away from fine detail. I want a softer brush. So select your donor area and simply remove the part we don't want. You notice there's a slight line across here. I'm going to cover that up by changing the opacity down to about 35%. The opacity is how see-through the patch will be. So at 35% it's going to be fairly see-through. I want a bigger area, and just put it over this just to soften the lines a little. As you probably see, I've just caught the edge of the feathers there, but we can get rid of that. Okay, now working fine areas, take the opacity up to 100%, and we bring the cursor size down to about 30%. Take your donor area and start nibbling away. The key is patience, not trying to rush it and trying to keep everything looking smooth, so you don't leave too many traces. And then just nibble away. Changing the donor area every now and then, just to make sure that all the colours blend in. And there we have it. All the jesses and all the straps have gone, and without knowing that there was something there to start with, you would be hard pressed to tell anything's been removed.